Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport car, guys. Great car. It was a complete frame-off restoration. Again, this is an original SS car. It's got the matching numbers, 396 cubic inch engine in it. The factory Bolero red car. It was a frame-off, really nice car. I actually haven't had a chance to drive this car, but Jay's driven it a couple of times. Jay said it's just really a good car. Runs and drives excellent. Pretty much stock. I mean, like I say, it's a factory black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. It's got the 400 trans. Jay says it's got a little converter in it, nothing big. But again, original 138 Super Sport with the matching numbers engine in it. Chrome and stainless, as you can see, are real nice. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. There's always something though, guys. One thing I've learned, man, you can pick anything. I've bought and sold 6,000 of these things. You can nitpick any of them. Again, it is a factory R2 or R is the color code, which is Bolero red. Sorry about the fuzzies. We got the doggone cottonwoods everywhere right now, so we're battling those out here. We're sticking to everything. Vinyl top's in great shape. Car's got pretty paint on it. A little rub mark there on the top of the quarter there. The car's nice and straight down the sides. Factory 15-inch rallies with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the flat caps on it, which I really like. I'm not a top hat fan. It's got power front drums, which is what they came with. Again, this is the matching numbers, 396 cubic inch engine. See if I can get in there. You can see the VIN is actually stamped on the front of the block. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power drum brakes, 400 turbohydramatic trans, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, pretty much the way it came. They got the newer radiator in it with the shroud. It's a pretty car. It's got a little crack over here in the windshield. We've ordered a new front windshield for it, but kind of rushing these guys along today. We got decent weather till this afternoon and then rain for 3 days, so I'll try to shoot as much as I can today, guys. You can nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little, but pretty darn nice. Mirrors look good, door handles look good. New door rubbers and window fuzzies. You know, it's funny, I was at a show actually this weekend. The guy had a guy come up and talk to me, and he was asking me about our videos, and he said, you know, Dave, I really like your videos, but I wonder why you kind of point out when stuff's wrong. He said it makes me hesitant on the car. You know, I'm a realist, guys. I've been doing this for a long time. These cars are not perfect, man. They've all got something somewhere, and you're gonna work on these cars. Car's showing 17,693 on the odometer. I'm sure that's not original. It's actually got the speed sensor on it, which is pretty cool. Looks like a factory AM/FM radio in it. But again, I'm a realist, man. I tell people, you know, you're going to be working on them. None of these cars are perfect, and I want you to know that going in. We've been doing this too long, man. Dual exhaust cars, 12-bolt rear end, just a stock 323 limited slip rear end. But these are all old cars. I don't care what you spend. I don't care how fresh the restoration is. You can find something somewhere. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Car's nice underneath. We got some pictures of the underside for you. See what I mean? Little things, like the little plug that's popped out there. Jake can fix that though. We'll check on it. Actually, a little thing tore right there. Again, things like that are going to happen. They're old cars. Seats look good. Steering wheel looks good. Gauges look nice. Yeah, the same thing. Pick the three-pillar chrome a little bit. Yeah, just good running, 396. I don't think I got that yet. I may have you do it yet. The one hand's not working real well today. Yeah, I don't think I got it all the way shut. Fuel gauge is working. It's really all you got in there for gauges. Radio works. It's got power.
I get it to come in.
Yeah, but it does have power, guys. Blower motor, Jay?
Yep.
Blower motor does work.
Couldn't get it to give me a station, but it's powering up.
Yeah, it is powering up, but sure what's going on in the headlights. We don't have, might be in your switch on the floor. Oh, there you go, there you go. I bet you it's a little switch on the floor. Yep, he's got it. Just had to kick it out of there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Factory red, matching numbers, true 138 Super Sport car. Have a great day, guys.